Hey guys, it's Karen Miller. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn free PayPal money doing nothing. You don't need any experience. This is worldwide. It pays through PayPal. You don't have to worry about taking surveys or anything like that. This will pay you every single day for doing completely nothing after you get it set up. I'm going to share with you 3 websites that you can do this with. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you how you can take this money and let the money work for you so you can get out of the cycle of working paycheck to paycheck every single month. So again, we're going to talk about free PayPal money for doing absolutely nothing. And I don't know about you, but I like the idea of making money by doing nothing because I've worked as a physical therapist for 29 years and I definitely don't get paid for doing nothing. But before we get to the 3 websites, if you're new to the channel, this channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. And if you want to learn more about those topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. So we're going to talk about it because I like to share things that are worldwide. You can get paid through PayPal. You set it up one time, then you don't need to do anything after that. You do not need any experience. Anybody can do this. And you get paid every month, and some require that you use a desktop or laptop, and then some you can use multiple devices so you can actually make money on different devices. The first website we're going to go to is Fluidstack, and I recommend just go to Google and type in Fluidstack because there's different links that you'll find, but the actual website is provider.fluidstack.io, and this is what the website looks like here. So you're going to rent your desktop and earn up to $50 a month. So we aggregate your computers into our distributed cloud, accelerating content delivery, scientific research, and enterprise computing. So it doesn't mess with the function of your computer and it doesn't take any of your private information. But if you look down here, basically it's when your desktop is idle and you can earn up to $50 a month, no performance impact. So let's see, we guarantee a payment between $5 and $50 per month, and we pay $10 for 100 megabytes per second. So if you have 200 megabytes speed, we pay you $20 a month. And you just click here to get started. And so that once you get it set up, it just runs in the background, and you can earn up to $50 a month, depending again on your internet speed. If you click on frequently asked questions, you can just read through them here and see any questions that you might have. The payments, let's see, the minimum is $5 and payouts are at the end of every month. If you don't reach the minimum, it will carry to the next month, and you can earn a maximum of $40 per IP address. Otherwise, there's no maximum. So you could have this on different devices, different IP addresses, and earn up to $40 per month on different IP addresses. So that's the first one. The second one is smartpanel.io. And that's what this one looks like. Again, I would recommend just go to Google and type in Smart Panel, and it'll be this one actually. Let's do it here. Smart Panel. Right here. Smartapp.io. So this is a research app, and you actually have to apply to this, but you sign up, you take a short survey to find out if you qualify, and then once you qualify, you install this smart app on your registered devices, and you keep your devices connected and take surveys to earn rewards and contribute insights. Now you don't have to do the rewards, it can just run and you can earn. So qualifying participants can earn $5 every 30 days. Your devices stay connected. So you can have it on different devices and earn $5 every 30 days on different devices. And then you get loyalty bonuses every 3 months. So this one here, you can also just click on the frequently asked questions and see get all your questions answered here about it, but it doesn't mess with any of the performance of anything that you're running it on. But again, you can earn that free PayPal money by doing nothing, just by putting the app on your devices. So that's the second one. The third one is actually my favorite, is cashmagnetapp.com. Now, I am still an Android user, so sorry if you have an iPhone, but this one here is only for an Android phone, and we pay for every minute of time when you do nothing. So you just go ahead and sign up here. And they say that they have the largest payments because it unites all the best rewards programs in one place. You don't need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come absolutely autonomous in passive mode. And what some people do is they earn enough to get a second phone, and then they have it running on different devices. It's completely safe, and they guarantee that your personal settings and data will not be used in any way. And you can see that it does pay out via PayPal. And they do have frequently asked questions down here. Now, you can actually earn more money because you can refer other people if you'd like. And let's see where it talks about that. I know you can earn in 2 different levels. So 5% of whatever someone earns that you refer to this app, and then 5% of anything that they refer people to. So it's 2 different levels. You can earn 5%, and again, you're not doing anything at all except for having this app run on your phone. So there's a lot of questions that you can get answered on the website here. I won't go through all of them, but the minimum payment is $1. So you can get paid $1 to your PayPal account. And how long does it take? Generally, most users easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days. So within 2 days, you could earn $1. And again, you can run this on multiple devices, but you do have to have an Android phone for this to work. But again, you're doing nothing to earn this money. So these are 3 websites. Again, let's go ahead and go over them: cashmagnetapp.com, smartpanel.io, and provider.fluidstack.io. So these are 3 websites you can earn free PayPal money by doing absolutely nothing. And I want to share with you how you can make this money work for you, because if you're like most people in the world, you live paycheck to paycheck, you have debt, and you just can't get ahead. And the way that you can get ahead is have money working for you. But some people feel like they don't have enough money to even invest. But there's this app called acorns.com, and you can invest like as little as, let's see here, $1 you can invest, or you can, do $3 a month. But anytime you can just put a little bit away is going to help you to earn that money and to get ahead and actually have the money working for you. And I wanted to share with you 2 different books that I found that are excellent as far as taking your money and letting it work for you. This first one, I've talked about it in some other videos, but I want to share with you in case you haven't heard of it. It's called Flipping Burgers to Flipping Millions. And this gentleman, for some reason, absolutely loved working at McDonald's. And he worked his way up to being manager, but he became a millionaire on that salary. So it's not so much how much you earn as to what you do with it. And he shows 3 different plans on what you can do with your money, and the power of compound interest in starting at a young age and taking just a little bit and putting it into some sort of investment and letting that money grow over time. It's absolutely incredible how much money you can make just by compound interest. So I wanted to share that with you. And another one is called The Millionaire Maker. And if you're familiar with The Secret, she was in The Secret, but she shares how to become a millionaire within 3 to 5 years. And she said it does not matter where you're starting from as far as debt, but she shows you how to create cash flow machines. And it makes total sense because she said, yes, you want to pay off your debt, but if you focus on paying off your debt and you do that, then you have nothing. But if you create these income cash flowing machines, then you're having more money coming in and then you're taking some of that to pay off debt. But it's incredible the results that she's gotten with just everyday people, and they have seminars that she does and they have free consultations. But I would highly recommend both of these books if you want to take your money and let it work for you rather than you going out every single day and working for money. Just that's what the wealthy people do, is they're having their money work for them, and they don't have to work so hard. So I just wanted to share these with you because I think they can be life-changing books and just help you really change your financial future. So I hope you guys found some value in these and how to earn this free PayPal money by doing absolutely nothing. And it'll just give you a little bit extra money every month. And again, you can take that money and invest it and help it grow, and you get into a better place financially. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my number one recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn how to create a profitable YouTube channel, that'll be the second link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.